In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up and use Top Echelon's candidate dashboard in just a few simple steps. If you're new to Top Echelon, the candidate dashboard is one of the most powerful features of their platform. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to streamline your candidate management and make your recruiting process more efficient. First, when you log in, you'll see your dashboard overview. This is your control center, where all your candidate data, job openings, and workflows are at a glance. You can quickly see how many candidates you have, what stages they're at in your process, and the job openings that need attention. Setting up your dashboard starts with adding your job openings, which you can do by clicking on the job orders section. Here, you can create new job listings and add candidates directly from your list, so everything stays organized in one spot. Once your jobs are set up, it's time to add candidates. To do this, simply go to the Candidates tab. From here, you can add candidates manually or import them from your existing database. Top Echelon lets you easily track your candidates' progress, from initial contact all the way through to placement. As you move candidates through different stages, such as contacted, interviewing, or hired, your dashboard automatically updates so you can stay on top of every step. Now, let's talk about filtering. One of the best things about Top Echelon's candidate dashboard is how customizable it is. You can filter candidates based on their status, job order, or even keywords in their profiles. This makes it super easy to narrow down your search and find the exact candidate you need for any given job opening. The next feature you'll want to utilize is candidate notes. As you communicate with your candidates or progress through different stages of the hiring process, you can leave detailed notes on each candidate's profile. This keeps your communication organized and helps prevent any important details from slipping through the cracks. Another powerful feature of the candidate dashboard is the email function. You can directly email candidates from the platform, making it easier to keep all your communication in one place. Plus, it allows you to track if they've opened your email or clicked on any links, giving you insight into how engaged they are with your job offers. Don't forget about integrating your calendar. Top Echelon lets you sync your calendar to the dashboard so you can schedule interviews and meetings without having to jump between different apps. It makes everything more streamlined, so you don't have to worry about missed appointments or conflicting schedules. Lastly, let's look at reports. Top Echelon gives you detailed reporting on your candidates, job orders, and placements. These reports are invaluable when it comes to tracking your recruiting efforts, understanding what's working, and optimizing your process for better results. If you're brand new to the software, you might find all of these features a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry. With a bit of practice, you'll be able to navigate the candidate dashboard like a pro. And as a bonus, we've partnered with Top Echelon to offer you an exclusive extended free trial, so you can explore all these features yourself without any cost. Just click the first link in the description below to get started with your free trial and enjoy the benefits of Top Echelon's candidate dashboard. So, now that you know how to set up and use Top Echelon's candidate dashboard, you're ready to take your recruiting process to the next level. Don't forget to check out that free trial and start making your candidate management even more efficient today.